breaking news. So I'm going to get right into this video because this is huge news for traders. So the SEC and the Nasdaq on Friday, January 16th, just approved more zero DTEs for stocks. So now you're going to have 3 days of zero DTEs for stocks. Okay, so what that means is, so now instead of only Friday weekly expirations, like for Tesla and stuff like that, usually you have every Friday. For the weeklies, you have Friday zero DTEs, right? Well, now they've added a Monday expirations and Wednesday expirations for a total of 3 DTEs each week. So it's going to get real interesting. So stocks such as Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, and others will have multiple zero DTEs through the week, similar to how the SPY and QQQ and ETFs do it. You know how you can do that with SPY or QQQ every single day they have expiration. You can play that 1 day zero DTE. Well, you're going to be able to do that now with stocks. So this is a huge precedent that was set in a new beginning for traders here. All right, and so Monday and Wednesday option expirations have been approved for specified set of equities. These are going to be the first ones in the list here. So I'm going to tell you, and it starts on January 26th. January 26th. So that's going to be next Monday, not tomorrow because it's Martin Luther King, but the following Monday. You're going to notice for certain stocks, you're going to have more zero DTEs. So that's crazy news. That's some good news, man. For day traders, oh man, that's going to be amazing. And I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But let me just finish up the details of it for you. So the initial stocks that's going to be on it, the ones that's going to start it, they're going to roll out more in the future. But the first one's going to be on it is going to be Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Meta, AVGO, Google, Microsoft, and iBit. All right, so those are going to be the ones that's going to start. So take a look at those next Monday. You'll see it. All right, so this starts on January 26th. So I just wanted to highlight this for you here. This is on the official SEC site. For qualifying securities, the exchange will be permitted to list 2 short-term option daily expiration dates beyond the current week for each Monday and Wednesday expiration at one time. The exchange would not list an expiry on a day when there will be an earnings announcement that takes place after market close. So the only time they won't do it is like if they have an earnings. I guess they say, hey, we don't want to, that's too much volatility. But this is huge news, and I'm going to go over here to this where if you could just search for it, you'll get the information you need here. And I'll drop a link down in the description for you to get official details of this. But this is huge, guys. This is huge. This is going, and a lot of people already. You got a lot of opinions on it already. Some people say it's going to be good for day traders. Some others say it'll kind of stunt the market because now you'll have some days of low volatility because they want to try to save it. But my opinion is it's good. It's good. Just like any other thing. Just like with the SPY, with all of the days that they have, that doesn't stop the SPY from moving. So this is going to move. It's just going to. I think it's going to reward real day traders. It's going to really reward. If you're a true day trader, zero DTEs, you're going to get stuff for a lot cheaper throughout the week. So just picture that, right? Because now, option prices. If you get, like, say for instance, let me actually go to the chart so you can visualize this. So here's Tesla, right? Here is Tesla. So see right now, you got January 23rd as the next expiration, right? Well, starting on the 26th of next week, you're going to see it change. You're going to see an added one for the 26th, and then you're going to have one for that Wednesday. That Wednesday would be the 28th. So you're going to see a new one that should pop up here on the 26th, and then that's going to be the same for the other stocks that I named. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. But again, let me just walk you through it. So for instance, right, you see the prices of these right now, right? So this is for this week's Friday's weekly expiration on Tesla. At the money right now is like 780, 790, right? It's at the price is 437.50, so the 437.50 is at 780. Or if you just want to do an even number, go to the 440s. That's like $670 per contract, and or on the short side, sorry about that. On the short side, like $630, right? Let me just highlight them for you. So now, with the new Monday and Wednesday expirations, you'll get them for a lot cheaper. I mean, albeit they're going to expire that day, so you better know what you're doing. But you're going to get, like on a daily basis, you're going to get way cheaper at the money. So that tells you there's a bigger chance for a bigger profit for you if you know what you're doing. So this is good news, guys. I just wanted to get this out to you. Go do the research on it. But this is official notice from the SEC. They have approved short-term options, and it to begin on January 26th for select stocks. It's going to start with Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Avgo, Google, Microsoft, and iBit. All right, so basically a lot of the Mag 7 is going to start it out, and then they're going to roll out other ones along the line. So yeah, this is explosive news. All right, so want to get that out to you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me. It really will. I really would appreciate it. Also, join our, if you want, you're welcome to join our free Discord community, trading community. You can find it down in the link in the description. It's a lot of like-minded traders and investors all after one go. We're all, bouncing ideas off of each other to get to that financial freedom. Okay, and also one other thing, if you want to help your trading out a little bit, I have a book on Amazon. It's called How to Day Trade. That link is also down in the description. It will help you with the technicals. It'll give you the how and the whys of what's going on the charts from a 14-year trader. That's me. So picture you getting information or you're learning from someone with years of experience, and that goes for any area that you're in. If you take the knowledge from somebody from who's done it, that saves you from having to go through that trial and error. All right, so until next time, stay blessed.